How to cancel a Coursera Professional Certificate subscription. In order to cancel a Coursera Professional Certificate subscription, it can be done through a web or a mobile app as well. So recommend using a web version. So first of all, you want to log into your account on Coursera website. Once you're logged in, you then need to tap the profile at the top left corner, and you want to go to the profile initials. As you go to this section, you then need to tap on profile once again, or you could also find purchase, or you could go to subscription as well. You could go to profile, and this is where it will take you. So if you can find a subscription and all that, you could actually press on the profile, or you want to tap on the menu once again, tap open the profile once again and go to my purchase. As you go to this section, you will be able to see your purchase history. You just want to make sure to go and select subscription tab and find the professional certificate you wish to cancel and tap on cancel subscription. So this way you are supposed to cancel your Coursera professional certificate subscription. And if you've used a third-party source such as Apple Store, or you've used Google Play Store, then you just want to make sure to follow these steps as well. Now this is for iOS user, right? So open up your settings on your device and go to your Apple ID or an iCloud ID, and there you could find subscription. Underneath, you want to find the Coursera and locate the specific Coursera professional certificate that you wish to cancel and follow the on-screen prompt. For the Android user, you want to go to your Play Store, tap the profile initials at the top, go to payment and subscription, find subscription, and this is where you're supposed to cancel your Coursera certificate. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.